A simple petition is just asking the court to grant the divorce between you and your spouse, whether or not you have children, if you want a name change, if you want to divide property and confirm any separate property, then that's pretty much the basics of a simple divorce petition in Texas. Once you file it, it has to be on file for a minimum of 60 days before you can actually be able to go forward and prove it up. So your options, if you're thinking about filing for a divorce in Texas and you have no children, you can either file a contested petition and request service of that and have your spouse served with the petition, or you can go what we call the uncontested route, which is there will be no service of the actual petition because your spouse will sign a waiver of citation, meaning they will not need to be served with the actual divorce petition because the two of you have worked out the agreement between the two of you for everything that's going to be included in the divorce petition, in the final order, that is. So if you're doing the uncontested route, that's usually the cheapest route because it's the least amount of impact from the attorneys or from anyone else or the courts. You won't have to file or set hearings. Basically, we would go through, draft a proposed final decree of divorce based on your agreement that you've reached with your spouse, and we'll include those all in a final order. We normally provide a copy or send a copy of that proposed final decree to your spouse so they can review it and then sign off on it. And then you and I will schedule a time to go down to the court after the 60th day and prove it up before the judge and have it entered with the court. And considering your least expensive option in filing for a divorce with no children, then you'd want to take advantage of the uncontested route. The attorneys at the Ramos Law Group are here to help you.